Hey everyone, welcome back to the world of Getyn super apps. Today, we're super excited to introduce you to a revolutionary tool that's going to change the way you create content, Getyn AI Writer. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or developer, Getyn AI Writer has got everything you need to produce high-quality content effortlessly. So, let's dive right in and explore how this amazing software can benefit you. First off, let's talk about the benefits. Getyn AI Writer is an AI-powered tool designed to write articles, blogs, ad copies, YouTube posts, social media posts, and so much more. But that's not all. You can also generate AI images, AI videos, AI coding, AI voiceovers, and even convert speech to text. It's a one-stop solution for all your content creation needs. All right, now let's have a quick look on key modules and features of Getyn AI Writer. Let's kick things off with the AI Writer module. Here you can use over 100 predefined prompts for various types of writing, such as articles, blogs, social media posts, voice prompts, YouTube video titles, descriptions, Instagram captions, and much more. The possibilities are endless. When generating AI content, you can define focus keywords, language type, word length, creativity levels like good, average, and premium, also the tone of voice like professional, casual, sarcastic, and so on. The AI will tailor the content based on your settings, ensuring it meets your specific needs. It's like having a personal writing assistant at your fingertips. Next up is the AI video module. Here, you can upload images and configure settings like seed, fidelity, and motion intensity. The AI will then combine these images to generate a compelling video. It's perfect for creating engaging visual content without the hassle of video editing. All right, now let's see the AI image module. In the AI image module, you can generate stunning images using the power of AI. Simply provide the instructions, and the AI will work its magic to create the perfect image for your needs. It's never been easier to get high-quality visuals. Wait, we got more. Are you looking to write a code but do not have advanced coding skills? No worries. In the AI code module, you can define the type of code you want and the programming language. The AI will generate the code based on your instructions. It's a great tool for speeding up your development process and getting precise code snippets. Okay, got voice recordings that need transcribing? No problem. In the AI speech-to-text module, simply upload any voice-based file, like an MP3, and the AI will convert it to text. It's fast, accurate, and incredibly convenient. All right, how can we forget about the cool AI voiceover feature? The AI voiceover module has got you covered. Choose the language and voice artist, provide the content, and generate professional-sounding voiceovers in no time. It's perfect for creating high-quality audio content. Apart from these key modules, Getyn AI Writer offers other amazing features like AI Vision, AI YouTube, AI Chat, and much more. You can explore all these options with a 7-day free trial account. There's so much to discover. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for a trial and explore the incredible features of Getyn AI Writer today. And don't forget to check out our product tour videos for a deeper dive into all that Getyn AI Writer has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy creating with Getyn AI Writer.